Good morning, my creative stampers. How are you? I just want to come on briefly this morning on a Saturday. Most of you are probably outside enjoying this beautiful weather, but I have a card kit that will have you feeling bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. I am featuring our new stamp set, Nuts About Squirrels. Now, I know it seems a little early for fall, but if you have some September birthdays, that you need to make cards for, then this kit is just for you. I want to quickly go over what's included in the kit and then let you know where you can get this kit. All right, so these are the cards. So let me quickly show you the cards that you will get all of the card stock already cut out for you, and then you get the supplies and the instructions of how to put it all together. So this is the first one. And then this cute one here, look how cute he is. I just love his little tail like that. And here's the same squirrel, but done a little different. And then here's both of the squirrels together. And so these are the cards that are included, what the kit includes. And when you order, you're going to receive enough material to complete 8 cards, plus plenty left over to continue making more. So the Nuts About You stamp set is a part of the first option. Now, I always offer 3 options. The first option is I want it all. So the stamp set plus all of the supplies you'll need. The second bundle does not include the stamp set. It only includes all the supplies you need and the instructions. Then option 3 does not include anything except the instructions. It's called tutorial only, and that's for people who they may be demonstrators, so they want to order the product themselves to get their sales, or they already own all this stuff. They don't need more of it. So that would be for tutorial. And of course, if you're on my stamping team, Reese's Paper Pieces, I always let all my team members have my tutorials. That's a part of being on my team. All right, so let's look at what the other materials are. So you get the entire pack of Regal colored designer paper. And I love this paper. It comes in 4 different patterns. I have the plaid showing here, but there's the other side of the plaid has these really cute little, I don't even know what you would call that, just a design, just a graphic. Then one of them is stripes, and the other is, oh, I can't remember off the top of my head. Hold on, let me pull the pack out real quick. Sorry about that. All right, and, oh, it's squares. So stripes and squares. So here's the squares, and then here are the stripes. Yeah, so those are the 4 different designs, and you get an entire pack with this kit. So that's the paper. Then I'm also including these beautiful brushed metallic self-adhesive, they're adhesive-backed dots, and they're in gold, brass, and kind of a greenish color, which is great with this paper pack here. This old olive goes great with these green dots here. Okay, so the dots, and then look what else we have. We have all 5 neutral colors in the twine. So the white, black, gray, vanilla, and crumb cake. And so you'll be using these in the cards also. So one more time, let me show you the cards. We have this one, real cute, with both of the squirrels and some leaves. And of course, the ink and the adhesive is not included. So you would need most of the Regal colors if you wanted to match everything that I do, or just use the inks that you have that work well with the Regal paper. So that's how that works. One more time, then this same squirrel, but done a little different. And the same squirrel again, but done a different way. Okay, so these 2 squirrels are the same. This guy is the bushy tail with the little acorn, and this one uses the bushy tail with the acorn. I love him. He's so precious. Okay, so that's it. I have some people here this morning. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So Norma and Diana, Cindy, Luann, and again, Christy, Colleen. Good morning, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. And to get this kit, you need to go to, and I'm pointing, let's see if I can point to it, creatingwithchristina.com, and over on the right side you will see an image of this kit set, and you click on that image and it'll take you to where the pricing options and registration are, or you can go to classes and click the down menu and then click on Nuts About Squirrels class. So I hope you all enjoy this, and that any other card classes that you may think that you'd like me to create and sell, just give me some ideas, and that's what I'm here for, to provide stuff for you guys. I love you all. Thanks again for watching this morning, and we will see you on Monday for a card tutorial, okay? Bye-bye, you guys.